Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and support us. You will never regret it. Okay guys, today I'm going to share to you how do you use Facebook Marketplace to make money. Alright, so let's say you log into your Facebook, you can go to the left hand side here, you can see here Marketplace. So you can click Marketplace and then you can see a lot of people are actually selling different products. So apparently it is showing me a lot of durian product. I think Facebook know that I love to eat durian. Alright, so what you need to do is that if you want to start selling, you can click Marketplace here, then you can see here create new listing. So let's say you want to sell a product, so you can click here, alright, item for sale, and then you can see you can add product. Alright, so what you can do is that you can type your product. Okay, let's say I just give you an example. So let's say this is my product, so you can put a title, how to make money through Facebook Marketplace ebook. So let's say you want to buy my ebook, you can put here, maybe price is actually 2 ringgit. Alright, category, you can choose a category. For me, I will choose a category. Apparently these are the category that will be shown. So is there anything about ebook? So somehow it doesn't have ebook, so I don't think I can sell ebook. So maybe I sell furniture. Alright, so maybe I sell IKEA chair, used IKEA chair. Alright, so maybe I put 29 ringgit. Alright, condition, so you can see you can new, use, good, fair. So maybe I could condition and use black IKEA chair, still in good condition. Alright, it will auto correct. Alright, listing as in stock, single item. Alright, brand IKEA. Is it IKEA or IKEA? Right, so material is actually a bit plastic. Product tag optional. Location, so you can just put your location. Right, so hide from friend. So let's say hide from friend. Boost listing after publish. So do you want to do boosting? I don't think I need to do boosting. So yep, so let's do a IKEA chair use. Okay, so let's say this is just okay, I have this product. Save image, save desktop. I'm just showing you how to do it, right? So you can change back this one, add in the product. Alright, let it load. So I have this at my house, so I think it's almost the same, so it will show you a preview. Right, so then you can click next. Right, when you hide this thing from, you can't cross. So apparently if you hide this thing from friend, you can't cross post to groups. Alright, so you can actually publish if you want, and this is how you do it. So let's say let's publish. So it will take a while to publish. You listed an item in furniture, try listing something else. Alright, alright, so let's say these are the products that you posted. Yeah, so you can see I posted a lot of other products as well. So this is how you do it. This is a simple way where you can start to sell online without having any cost at all. So there's no cost to set up. So you can see I literally can sell a product in 5 minutes. So happy selling, guys. Bye. And please remember to subscribe. Okay, you will never regret it. Bye.